Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by meeting hard prerequisites. This avoids wasted runs. Confirm your level and faction now, because the Milestone system gates progress by role and XP. Once confirmed, prepare boosts and currency, stack a 25% XP boost if available, so each action counts. Then accept the Milestone quest from the PlayRole NPC. Do not skip the dialogue, as it toggles objectives. This first push sets the pacing for everything that follows, and makes later steps predictable and repeatable. Now you execute the middle sequence where most time is spent. Follow the objective tracker exactly, because order matters. Doing tasks out of sequence can lock progress. Make efficiency choices. Group combat, gather, and delivery tasks to reduce travel time. Use a mount or vehicle if available. Coordinate with teammates for chain objectives. Sharing roles and items prevents duplicate work. As you complete objectives, keep an eye on timers and resource depletion, so you don't stall near the finish. Finish by turning in the final objective to the correct NPC. Make sure the milestone progress updates before leaving the area. If you don't receive credit, relog and recheck quest logs. Desyncs are common and relogging often forces an update. If the problem persists, document it. Capture screenshots of the objective, timer, and your player state, then file a bug report with admins. This troubleshooting step saves time and helps you recover progress without repeating everything.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.